Now I'm gonna talk about your rights after slip and fall injuries. So I'm gonna mention what companies don't want you to know after slip and fall. So first, companies always minimize your injuries. I mean, not companies, the insurance companies always minimize injuries. They say, oh, it was just a slip and fall injury. Or, I mean, it was just a soft tissue injury, or it was just a bruise or something. But they're not considering, on top of medical bills, they're not considering that they have to pay you for pain and suffering. So they don't want you to know about this. They always think, oh, it's just your medical bills. We're just gonna cover for your medical bills. Sometimes they will come to you. Let's say you fell, you went to hospital. Sometimes they will come to you and say, oh, we're gonna cover your medical bills. And at the hospital, I've seen this happen. They will give you a release to sign and say, okay, sign this release that you don't have any cause of action. You can't have any claim against us. You release us from liability if we pay for your medical bills. And some people, they don't know their rights and they say, oh, okay, yeah, they are very kind. They want to pay for my medical bills and they sign the release. Never do that, because on top of your medical bills, you can recover for pain and suffering, for your emotional injuries, like emotional suffering, for missed work. If you have a spouse, they can also recover money for your injuries. So that's why it's very important not to sign a release, because anyway, they're gonna pay for your medical bills. So they're not doing any kindness for you. So that's why it's very important to contact an attorney. Don't sign anything. They're gonna pay for your medical bills. They're gonna pay for your pain and suffering. And actually, pain and suffering is a few times your medical bill. So it's a lot of money. They always minimize your injuries, but slip and fall cases, they are big. They are like big money. So that's why I don't sign a release. I'm Armina Marquesin. I'm a slip and fall attorney. If you are injured in a slip and fall, trip and fall, contact me and I'll be happy to help you. I've recovered millions for my clients and I'll be happy to give you a free consultation.